counselor. I would help kids discover what it's like to live in the woods. I would grade all the kids coming to camp. Some will be scared because it's their first time away from home. I would tell them, it's okay to bring your favorite stuffy. After a big hug, I would tell them about all the fun we're gonna have. I would show them their first new adventure, which is seeing the cabin where they will sleep with their new friend. Oh, it looks like Cheeks the chipmunk is having a little nap. Wake up, Cheeks! We have new guests. Then I would show the kids where they'd have their meals with all their new friends. It's breakfast time! Look at all the waffles, muffins, pancakes, and fruit galore. You get hungry in the woods. Especially when you hang from trees. I would show kids our rope climbing area. And if I were a camp counselor, I would teach kids how to canoe. Always step in the middle so it doesn't tip. We will put on life jackets. One person sits in the back and steers the canoe. The other person sits in the front and paddles. We will paddle to different islands and pretend we were explorers discovering new lands. This island is owned by the moose. They always give us ice cream when we drop by. Yum, vanilla and chocolate chunks. Thank you. After ice cream, it's time for a fun chore. Collecting sticks in the woods for our campfire. And if I were a camp counselor, I would teach kids the most fun thing to learn. How to make s'mores! All you need is a graham cracker. All you need is a piece of chocolate. Thanks, Mr. Moose. And a freshly roasted marshmallow. Yum! A perfect marshmallow. Mmm! The best way to end a perfect day is to play music around our campfire and performing funny skits. Those are fun little plays that kids could write and perform. I love being a camp counselor.
Can you imagine being anything you want to be? Can you imagine there's a world full of fantasy? And if you think about it lots, it becomes so real. Did you know, did you know, did you know that you can do anything you want to do? Imagine this or that, think of something new, and you can always change a thing or two.